focus way too much. Need to get out, need to do something. Feels like I'm going dancing. Music made the pain too.
Alrighty guys, today we're here with a couple of BARRA 31s. Don't know the story behind this car. Shane and I at Missions Mechanical, we built this yeah, a few years ago now, and I sold it about a year ago, bought it back a few months ago, and now this is the current condition. But today we're just going to go over the car, have a look at everything before we go out drifting again. Alrighty, so Shane's got a little bit on his bucket list today. He's going to install the S13 front end. He's got some cheap and nasty coils to slap in it, the max speeding rods just to get him by for a minute. Such a pain in the ass to find any Sylvia stuff now, so you got to do what you got to do. Shane's recently just built this thing. It's very, very cool. So mine, and then Shane's. Pintara, Skyline, Turbo, NA.
This for my mom and the crew, yeah. Used to be tight like glue, but I don't wanna switch up on you. But now because I want to.
Owner that I sold it to replaced the slave, put a new clutch in it. So today we're just going to go over everything and make sure they've done everything correctly before I go drive it. But within the last month or so, we did the front end. We did tie rods. We put rack end spacers in. Adjusted to the higher setting of the GK Tech RCCs, so I get a bit more lock, and we go for a wheel alignment on Monday. Alright, so Shane bought some S13 SR20 brakes. I don't know if they're turbo though. He didn't really tell us too much, but you can tell the difference in size between the stock 31s and just in the rotors as well. These things list about 4 different part numbers for brake pads, so it is a pain in the ass. Shane had to do the lucky dip, and he got lucky. Not bad.
But not because I wanted to, but not because I wanted to. And now I'm all up in mine. I tell myself lies constantly, I've been fine. All of these demons that are getting
They don't look that bad.
Ball in my eyes, I repeat in my slime. Rest up in paradise. Now I'm so caught in my feelings, feeling away, yeah. Now I'm so caught in my winning a race, yeah. Now I'm so caught in my feelings.
We're gonna start smashing out these fuel lines now. This is the original side from factory they run, but obviously with the BARRA, the extractors run along this side as well. So Shane did it in his car. He's actually taken them off and ran them on the passenger side of the chassis rails, which is actually where they're meant to run.
Now I'm so caught in my feelings, I'm feeling away, yeah. Now I'm so caught up in winning, but now I'm so caught up in winning.
Fuel lines are almost done. They're just being run on the passenger side now. We're just going to go for a bit of a drive, go stretch our legs, and we're just going to go see what the old Penny does. We just installed the S13 front end with the eBay special with the coilovers, so...
Start driving, we get to the roundabout down the road, and Giles was like, do we have fuel? And as he said that, Shane's like, nope, thing stalls at the fucking roundabout.
We get our stuff.
So some random cunt was just pushing us to the workshop, but...
We're in trouble here. You know what this could mean, James?
Rod's out.
Rod's out. Right. Fine. Alright, so pretty well we're going to raise the revs up to, realistically, what do you think we should go at?
We go 6.3.
6.3, see how it goes. It's at 6 at the moment, so raise it up 300, slap a limiter on it. So we run a fuel cart instead of a throttle cart. We should get the dong-dongs, baby. What are we going to get, James?
Mangs.
The mangs.
Old mangs.
The old mangs and the old gal. Yep.
I might have lost everyone else, but but I haven't lost myself. I still kept my worth, but I'm not talking wealth. And they still chuck their dirt, but I still got myself. And as long as I got myself, I don't need no one else.
So we raised that limiter to just 6,150. So from anywhere from 4.5 up, the barras start to run out of leg. Just because they are torquey, they don't really like to rev, so kept it on the lower end of how much we want to rev it, especially with just being NA without oil pump gears. If we had oil pump gears, we'd probably rev it closer to 7, give or take, you know, obviously depends how the motor takes it, but yeah, it's pretty cool. Crazy to think the effort that has been put into this car since I've got it back. New studs all around, it's got a whole front end, it's getting wheel lined tomorrow, brand new wheels, skidders as well. Obviously the body's a little bit beat up at the moment, but like the interior is done, cage is done, seats are done. Just it needs a little bit of work on the body side of things, making it look a little bit more appealing. But honestly, I know it's safe now. It's not gonna throw any spanners in the works for safety and stuff like that. So that was my biggest thing. I wanted everything to be good. We checked all the levels, everything. So guys, I suppose I'm gonna kind of end that here. There's not much really more I can tell you. So get keen for drift rack in a couple of weeks, which should be good. We've got a limiter now, so we'll give that a little quick bang for you. The only thing we need next, these engine mounts are not going to last very long. We're going to get the RB factory ones on the ASAP. But yeah, enjoy guys. Thank you for watching and subscribe.